Want to know how to send messages later on Telegram app? Scheduling messages ensure important messages are sent even if the sender becomes busy or distracted later. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of scheduling messages on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, click on the Telegram app on your screen. Now open any chat for which you wish to schedule your message. Likewise, tap the message you want to schedule. Instead of sending the message directly, tap and hold on the send button. Here you can see schedule message option at the top. Tap on the schedule message. Here you can see the slider. Now you are eligible to schedule your message using slider according to the date and time you wish to send the message. After selecting the date and time, tap on the send button at the bottom of your screen. So this is how you can schedule your message on Telegram app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.